निशा कांडीवाला
काढले होगा तो मैं
गणेश कुमार पाठक, सागर यादव, राम कुमार सिंह, श्रेया गुप्ता, यशी गुप्ता, मुद्रांश श्रेया पाठक, श्रेया पाठक
है। हाँ
शनिवार को मीटिंग थी ना तो चर्चा हुआ तो थोड़ा सा इधर से कंप्यूटर का डिमांड है तो हम अपनी मीटिंग में सदस्यों को
सही है।
We have with us Honorable Chief Guest of today's ceremony, Mrs. Anupriya Patel, Union Minister of Justice. Honorable Raj Vishwakarma, Raj Sport, Honorable Rajesh Agrawal sir, President, Honorable Raj Jitendra Agrawal sir, President, Honorable Raj Sham Secretary sir, Zone Chairperson, District 321E, and our respected Dr. N.G. Pandey sir, Principal, Raj Secretary members, and of course, our standing friends. From the bottom of our heart to the felicitation ceremony are meritorious friends along with our noble teachers. This is the much awaited event they appear to endure. It gives a sense of achievement and a sense of responsibility towards fulfilling further commitments. परिंदों को लेकर की मंत्री लगी है जो पहले हुए उनके ऊपर होते हैं और वही लोग रहते हैं खामोश समाधि करने के लिए होना होते हैं। Here at Lions School, we value our intellectual capital and nurture its schooling for the comprehensive development of the student personality so that every year.
Thank you all for spending your precious time to the existing tradition and charm to the life. To begin this auspicious occasion, I would like to call our school choir to present the welcome song.
फील्ड अच्छे दिखाई थे। लेकिन बाहर का नहीं चल जाते लगा दो नहीं
I humbly request Lion Vishwanath Agarwal sir to kindly take his seat on the stage. Now, with a special request, I wish to invite our chief guest, Mrs. Anupriya Patel, Union Minister, to take a seat on the stage. Kindly come now.
आप निकल जाओ
Now, I would like to welcome Lion Nitin Agarwal sir to take a seat on the stage. And Lion Shashank Shekhar Chaturvedi sir is requested to join the chair on the stage.
Today, I feel really fortunate enough to welcome our chief guest, Mrs. Anupriya Patel, Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare and Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers, to this august gathering. Now, I would call upon Balu Chandrake. Now, I request our Vice Principal now, Ms. Sudha Negi, to come on the stage, please, to welcome our chief guest and honor her with a bouquet. Thanks, Mirzapur, to honor our chief guest. Here we have Ms. Sudha Negi, our Vice Principal, on the stage. I wish all of you to give a big round of applause.
साइड होगा बेटा साइड होगा
She also has been the topper of our school. She scored 97% marks, and she has.
Thank you, Sudhana. Thank you, Executive Sir, and thank you, Kushi. Now I take this opportunity to call upon the dais, Lion Vishwanath Agarwal, whose perseverance and dedication has made our school an epitome of excellence, for his welcome speech.
मुख्य अतिथि मिर्जापुर की सांसद, भारत सरकार की मंत्री, मिर्जापुर की आन बान शान और मिर्जापुर के का देश में नाम रोशन करने वाली हमारी सांसद माननीय श्रीमती अनुप्रिया पटेल जी का लायंस स्कूल में बहुत ही हार्दिक स्वागत है। मैं आपका दूसरी बार मंत्री बनने के आने के बाद आपका दूसरी बार इस सभा में स्वागत करते हुए मैं अपने को बहुत ही गौरवान्वित अनुभव कर रहा हूँ और हमारे बच्चे, हमारे टीचर, हमारे स्टाफ सभी आपको अपने बीच में पाके बहुत ही प्रसन्न है और आपको बार बार धन्यवाद कर रहे हैं। आपके आने से हमारे बच्चों में, हमारे टीचर्स में और हम लोगों में एक नई ऊर्जा का संचार होता है और इसीलिए आपको हम लोग बार बुलाते हैं और बार बुलाना चाहते हैं। मेरे आज जो हमारा कार्यक्रम है वो 90+ बच्चों का है, 100 में 100 कि हम अपने सांसद से और के हाथ से और अपना पुरस्कार प्राप्त करें और उनकी फोटो अपने साथ ले जाके अपने घर में लगाएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। आप आज इस कार्यक्रम में रहेंगे, हम लोग स्वागत करते हैं लायंस क्लब की तरफ से, लायंस स्कूल की तरफ से, लायंस बच्चों की तरफ से। और एक बार मेरा सदन में बैठे हुए सभी लोगों से अनुरोध है, खड़ी होकर करतल ध्वन से हो रहा है
Celebration to acknowledge and honor the remarkable achievement of the students of Lion School, Mirzapur. Today's ceremony is not just an act of formal recognition, but a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence that our awardees have demonstrated. It is a tribute to their hard work, dedication, and unwavering commitment. In the process, we'll call the students, then the teachers. And if the student is absent, then I would like, if the parents are present, they should be coming up on the stage. And I want a big round of applause for all our hardworking students, sincere and dedicated students. First of all, we would call the students who have secured 100% marks in different subjects. In that race, we have Khushi Yadav for class 12, CBSE board exam. She has secured 100 out of 100 marks in chemistry and biology. Khushi Yadav has been, throughout the year has been, or in the time of her school, she has been very sincere student. She has been getting lots of awards and her academic excellence is above. Khushi Yadav, dear gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, and the students present here, I want your applause shouldn't stop.
excellence in the field of English. She has set an example for all the upcoming students. They can cross the limit of her success. She has scored 100% marks in two subjects, chemistry and bio. Kushi Ram. Standing for the hands together. Let us feel honored from this girl. Congratulations, Beta.
In the list, Anubhav Pandey. We have second, we have Anubhav Pandey, he is absent. Kushi Vaishnavi. We have next, we have Vaishnavi. She has got 100 out of 100 in political science. Give a big round of applause here, ladies and gentlemen, and the students present here. Vaishnavi, she has got 100% in political science. She too has been a very keen student of Lions School, and she has been giving her 100% throughout the years she has spent in Lions. Next in the line we have Priyanshu Singh, class 12, Priyanshu Singh, and the proud father is walking up the stage. Congratulations, sir. Priyanshu Singh has received 100 out of 100 marks in Hindustani music vocal. Priyanshu Singh. Throughout the schooling, he has been a very good student. Congratulations, sir. Next in the line we have Anushka Sahu, class 12 students. Again, we have, she has secured 100 out of 100 in Hindustani music vocal. Altogether, 11 students have secured 100 out of 100 in Hindustani music. Nandini Keshri, she also has secured 100% in Hindustani music vocal subject. Congratulations, Nandini. She has been a very sincere student throughout her schooling days. Next, we have Kaustubh Bihani. Kaustubh Bihani, a very sincere, dedicated, and a hard-working student. Kaustubh Bihani has also got secured 100 out of 100 in Hindustani music vocal. Congratulations, Kaustubh. Shubhangini Mishra. Next, we have class 12, Shubhangini Mishra. I think she is absent again. Pushkar Chaurasia, he too has scored 100 out of 100 in Hindustani music vocal.
Audience, let us celebrate, let us encourage them by putting the hands together. These students have performed really in a marvelous way. To reach a score of 100% shows that how dedicated, how hardworking they have been. Congratulations all of the students.
Congratulations, Pushkar. Next, we have Harsh Yadav. Harsh Yadav, again, Harsh is absent. Yashika Gupta. We have Yashika Gupta and a proud parent. A mother is here on the stage. She too has received secured 100 marks in Hindustani music vocal. Yashika Gupta. Congratulations. Anjali Yadav. Anjali, a big round of applause. All the people who are there in this hall, please, आपके करतल ध्वनि रोकनी नहीं चाहिए. Anjali Yadav has secured 100. Rashika Tiwari. We have now Rashika Tiwari. She also has secured 100% marks in Hindustani music vocal.
Congratulations, Rashika. Your class will really motivate them.
Next. Congratulations, Raj. Now we have Aditi Raj, and she has secured in two subjects. She has secured 100% physical education and psychology. Congratulations, Aditi.
She is the second tower of Lions School as well. Very promising, very outstanding. Aditi Raj, congratulations, Beta. Keep it up.
We have next Ruby Warrior. She has secured 100% in informatics practice. That is IP. Informatics practices. 100% Ruby Warrior.
Congratulations, Ruby.
Tiwari. He has got 100% for mathematics. We are looking forward to in class Lions School Reservoir. Next, we have
And 12,000 years.
next we have again Kushi Yadav with 97.6%.
School number 2024 results.
Yadav, the school topper 2024 with 97.6%.
To bless them to remain Khushi all the time.
All the students and the parents, you won't be leaving the hall. We have to sit in the gate where we will have a group photograph with our minister. Yes, now. And second, the second position in congratulations again on the team.
These brothers students have
Next in the line we have Apuri Mita Singh. Apuri Mita Singh.
Upper Mita Singh.
Mita Singh.
Upper Mita Singh. Our school is also shining in the field of humanities, and Upper Mita is from the stream of humanities.
Upper Mita
Students of all streams, they are getting success.
97%. Aparmita Singh, congratulations. Aparajita with 97%. Aparajita, next we have Aparajita, class 12, with 97%. She's absent. Yashika, congratulations now. Yes, Rashika Tiwari with 95.6%. Congratulations, Rashika.
Keep it up.
Next, we have Anubhav Pandey, Shruti Shukla with 95%. Shruti Shukla, congratulations. Nanditi Keshri, 94.4%. I made us all be proud of.
Keep it up.
Next we have Pratishtha Rasool. Pratishtha Rasool with 94%. She's absent. Gauri Sandhu
Gauri
Bala
Sandhuwala.
with 94%.
Commerce Street.
She's from our former stream. Gauri Sandhuwala with 94%. Congratulations, Gauri. Next we have Ananya Singh with 94%.
We have such a loud crowd here, but the amount of clap that we are receiving is not that much. Your clap and study motivate them. Audience, I request you please motivate them. I love applause now.
Aishwarya Singh with 93.6%.
So father of Ashwara sitting here. Now we can see the pride and the honor on the face of her father. Finally, a boy seen on the stage after so many years. Congratulations, beta.
93.6%.
Well done, well done. Congratulations.
We have next in line one. Your class will not stop, dear ladies and gentlemen. Anushka Jaiswal with 93.2%. Congratulations. Sania Nas. We have Sania Nas. She got 9.4%.
Congratulations.
She has been a very serious student throughout her schooling. Priyanshi Pandey, 92.4%. Congratulations, Priyanshi. Her proud mother is there.
We are feeling proud about the success of our daughter.
She secured 92.4% in the CBSE board exam 2023. Anjali Yadav. Anjali, we have Ruby Moria. Next in line, we have Ruby Moria with 92.2%. Next we have Shashwat. Next we have Farah Khan. Next we have Farah Khan. She is absent. She has secured 91.6%.
Farah is present.
Okay, Farah is present. Farah Khan is here, 91.6%.
We have a long tail of students who scored 90 plus marks. They are 36 students.
Vartika Keshwani with 91.4%. Next we have Gauri Sharma. Gauri Sharma with 91.4%. Gauri Sharma with 94.4%.
Congratulations, Gauri. Well done.
Next we have Anup Kumar Yadav, 91.2%. Anup Kumar Yadav, 91.2%. We can see, ladies and gentlemen, most of the girls have brought in laurels for our school. Next, we have Ritesh Srivastava, 90.8%. We have Ritesh Srivastava, 90.8%. Congratulations, Ritesh. Next, Nancy Yadav, 90.8%. Nancy Yadav, 90.8%. Nancy Yadav, 90.8%. We have now on the stage 6%. Anushka Dubey, congratulations Anushka, 90.6%. All the very best for your future endeavors. Neha Yadav, next on the stage we have Neha Yadav, 90.6%. Neha Yadav, ladies and gentlemen. Next we have Shreya Dubey. Ladies and gentlemen. Next we have Rishika Gold, 90.2%. Rishika Gold, 90.2%. Congratulations, Rishika. Next, Priyanshu Singh, 90.2%. Priyanshu Singh's father is here. A proud father. Congratulations, sir. Priyanshu Singh,
Congratulations.
Ayush Gupta, and finally, congratulations, the proud mother is walking on the stage. Congratulations, ma'am. For your daughter, practically born 90%.
Now I would like to tell you that the students of Lion Public School have secured more than 90% marks. Was one Pushkar Gaswal from Lion Public School with 93%. Standing on the stage, Pushkar Gaswal. Second one is Arpit Singh. Arpit Singh from Lion Public School who secured 91%. You have done a great job.
Altogether, we have 90 other students. I'll call upon the names now. Akshant Singh,
Akshant Singh is the top of class 10.
96%.
And he secured 96% marks in class 10. The proud mother of Akshant Singh is on the stage and congratulations. He has been promising student of our school. From the podium side, Rani Gupta was secured 95.8% marks in class 10. Ritika Gupta with 95.6% marks. Congratulations, Sacham Diwali with 95.6%.
near the podium, just beside the chairs where the guests are sitting.
Shambhu Kumar Chauhan with 95.2%. Vidyam Pandey.
The teachers who are standing over there, they are requested to make a line of class 10th merit OJC students so that the process will be quicker. Please expedite it. Make the record. They should be here on the stage. Mr. K.M. Srivastava, Mr. K.K. Dubey, Mr. Harsh and Mr. M.K. Jha. Please make it quick. Swastika with 9. Paruraj Jain with 94.6%. With 94.6%. Next is Shivpal with 94.6%. Next is Saptarshi Mishra with Avinash Yadav with 94.2%. Sagar Yadav 94%. Ashwini Gautam 94%. Nancy 93.8%.
The audience present here, kindly give them a big round of applause. Students, where are you? Cheer them.
Harsh Gupta 93.6%. The students will come from right side of the stage and will leave at the left side. This data of this one Kumar Ajit Singh 93.6%. Shreya Gupta 93.6%. Yashi Gupta 93.4%. Congratulations to all such great students. Gurdan Shree 93.4%. Samtar Vijay 93.4%. Vinay Kumar Yadav 93.4%. Shreya Pathak 93.2%. Vicky Bansal 93.2%. Amber Singh 93.2%. Gaurash Gupta 93%. Anisha Sori 93%. Amit Kumar Gandhi 93%. Kashi Gupta 92.8%. 92.8%. Purvi Sahu, Kashi Gupta 92.8%.
सम्मानित हैं। एक बार हमारा पूरा लायंस स्कूल लायंस की तरफ से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। अभिनंदन जोरदार तालियां चाहेंगे आपके लिए। और मैं सबको बताऊं कि हमारे बच्चों को सम्मानित करेंगे।
जानवी सिंह, Romanshi Tiwari, 92.4%. Congratulations to all successful students. Meenakshi Shukla, 92%. Zoya Siddiqui, 92.4%. Ayushman Soni, 92.4%. Bhavna Prakash, 92.2%. Vibhum Tripathi, 92.2%. Ananya Agarwal, 92%. Aman Diwali, 92%. Rishita Srivastava, 91.8%. Vedant Chaurasia, 91.8%. Shailja Oza, 91.6%. Sandeep Kumar Bin, 91.4%. Priyanshi Chaurasia, 91.4%. Rahul Bhatte, 91.2%. Srishti Pandey, 91.2%. Anindita Singh, 91.2%. Sanjay Mishra, 90.8%. Yus Dubey, 90.8%. Shalini Srivastava, 90.8%. 90.6%. Srishti Yadav, 90.6%. Shreya Singh, 90.2%. Ayush Mishra, Shreya Singh, 90.2%. Ayush Mishra, 90.2%. Ayush Mishra.
Dear students, I will indicate the directors of the hall.
Ankit Gautam, 90%. Good that way, good that way. 90%. And last but not the least, Parth Pathak, 90%. Congratulations all very good students of Lions School.
Next
Well done, keep it up.
Next, Brijesh Moria, 91%. Brijesh Moria. Harsh Pandey, 91%. Harsh Pandey. Secure, 91%. Anjali Moria. Anjali is absent. We have Akanksha. Akanksha, secure 91%. Next we have Aman. Aman with 91%. Ansh with 91%. We have Palak Raj Kumar Abdari. Palak Raj Kumar Abdari. They are present here. Behind the excellent results of our students. Congratulations, dear teachers, for your hard work. We have first of all Mr. Rajesh Kumar Mehdi and your student had secured 100 out of 100 marks in mathematics. Mr. Rajesh Kumar Mehdi, I feel proud. We have Mr. Akhilesh Tiwari. Congratulations, sir.
Lions has always been the background of all quality teachers. Their hard work, dedication, perseverance, and all possibility have created JP Mission Center has always been a great source of inspiration for all the students. The teaching quality has motivated the students to score 100% completion.
Now I would like to call upon Mr. Anand Shankar Mishra.
And that is very clear here, that is very clear here. Anand Shankar Mishra Sir, the student has scored 100% marks in the subject chemistry. Anand Sir, congratulations.
Among all the GEMS teachers, we have now Ms. Karthik Gupta, 12th Biology. Give them a big round of applause. Dear teachers, Gupta. Class 12th Biology. Congratulations, ma'am.
Undoubtedly, her sincerity and dedication have given such a wonderful practical contribution.
Mr. Arun Kumar Awasthi, Class 12, Political Science. Mr. Arun Kumar Awasthi, Class 12, Political Science. Your student has secured 100 out of 100. Arun Kumar Awasthi, sir.
Very hardworking, very devoted, very dedicated teacher, Arun Kumar Awasthi sir. Congratulations.
Next, we have
100% marks in the subject psychology. Doctor sir, congratulations.
congratulations, sir. Next, we have Monica Gupta, sir, for Class 12, Informatics Practice. Monica Gupta, sir. Whenever I know,
Congratulations.
last time he was in CMS, Rajendra Nagar, so I know him from there. But good result, physical education. His student has also got 100 out of 100 marks. Sir, as well, Hindustani music vocal. Congratulations, sir. Most of your 11 students have secured 100 out of 100. Ajit Kumar Agrawal. Mrs. Rupa Agarwal. Again, a proud moment for us, for the lady teachers. Mrs. Rupa Agarwal, Class 12 Hindustani music vocal. 11 of our students have received. K.P. Pathak, sir.
माननीय आयुक्त विश्वनाथ अग्रवाल जी, और पास प्रेसिडेंट प्रधान सेक्रेटरी, और स्कूल प्रिंसिपल श्री एन.के. पांडे जी, और all school teachers, और all class members and all our school students. हमारे बड़े सवाल के लिए विषय हमारे लिए कि आज मैम हमारे बीच में हैं और इतनी व्यस्तता से हमें सुविधा के हम जोरदार तालियां हमारा फिर से टाइम लगे जोरदार तालियां लोग साथ करें। सीनियर मेंबर लाइन करने अग्रवाल जी हैं, आपका भी हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन। यद्यपि आपको किसी परिचय की आवश्यकता नहीं है, बट औपचारिकता का निर्माण करते हुए मैं संक्षिप्त करना चाहूँगा। आपका जन्म 1981 कानपुर में हुआ था। आपके पिता राम कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन एग्री यूनिवर्सिटी से पहले कानपुर 2012 में उत्तर प्रदेश विधानसभा की सदस्य हुई। सन 2014 में आपने भाजपा से आपने भोजन किया। सन 2014, सन 2019 एवं सन 2024 के लोकसभा चुनाव में मिर्जापुर जनपद से चुनावी जीत की भारी शक्ति के हाथ हो गए। आप भारी मतों से विजय हुई और सांसद के पद का कार्यभार ग्रहण करते हुए वर्तमान में राज्य मंत्री स्वास्थ्य एवं परिवार कल्याण तथा रसायन एवं उर्वरक मंत्रालय भारत सरकार पद पे आसीन है। अपने देश के लिए स्वयं को समर्पित करने की प्रबल इच्छा, दिल शक्ति हमारे विधायक हैं। आपके बहुत बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत करते हुए मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम देना चाहूँगा। बहुत बहुत स्वागत है, धन्यवाद।
Congratulations, ma'am, for winning the Lok Sabha seat from Mirzapur the third time. Justice. The struggle will continue till the last drop of blood and the last breath. And you have proved it too. Champions keep playing until they get it right. With these words, I call upon our chief guest, Mrs. Anupriya Patel, to bless and encourage our students with her words of wisdom. I want the August gathering here to welcome her with your good round of applause.
Chief Executive of the Life Society, Shri Vishwanath Agarwal ji, President Shri Nitin Agarwal ji, and all the other office bearers and handlers of the Life Society, Honorable MLA Srimati Vinny Bolji, Principal of Life School Shri N.K. Patel ji, teachers, parents, and my dear students. I extend my heartiest greetings to each one of you who is part of the Alliance School Fraternity. 3 branches are here. Each one of you, as I understand, felicitation ceremony is a very, very special occasion. When I stand here today in front of you, I actually feel that some time back I sat in a time machine when I reached many years back in my own school days. When like you, I would also sit in front of the dais and wait for my turn to receive a sparkling trophy. I understand the relevance of this felicitation ceremony as much as you do. Big congratulations to each one of you, to the management, to the principal, to the teachers, and to the students, and also the parents. Because whatever accomplishments each and every single child has made here today is not just the individual effort of the child alone, but it's a teamwork. It's a collective endeavor of the management, the principal, of the teachers, and also of the parents. To provide you the right kind of environment, the right kind of guidance, the right kind of encouragement, and the right kind of support system for your talents to flourish. So it's a big day for each one of you, and my best of wishes go to everybody who's here. I was apprised of a big list, and then I saw, because I was here for quite long, giving away those sparkling golden trophies, so many of you. I was so amazed. We have children here who are securing 100 on 100. When a teacher showed me the list, I couldn't believe myself. And there are children who are securing 98%, 99%. So your generation is super bright, and there is no doubt about it. Very bright children we have in this generation. It's a lot of hard work. You know, when this trophy comes to you, it symbolizes the significance and the importance of hard work in life. What does this trophy tell you? What do you feel when you get this trophy? Can any one of you, among the students, stand up and tell me? How do you feel and what do you feel when you get this trophy in your hand? Anyone? Anyone? How do you feel and what do you feel when you have this trophy in your hand?
I'm wishing back out letters, thankful to my parents and teachers. Each and every section interest I get.
So you have a sense of gratitude towards your teachers and parents. Wonderful. Anybody else? What do you feel when you hold this trophy in your hand? When you see that picture? You don't feel anything? कुछ फील नहीं होता है ट्रॉफी लेकर? क्या कुछ फील होता है? होता है ना? क्या फील होता है बताओ? You feel a sense of gratitude towards your elders, your parents, your teachers. And
I feel very grateful to talk about it. What else is more important than this? We are not addressing right now.
right?
Why can't we make learning more engaging? Why is there no effort in making learning more engaging and helping students cultivate their own interests besides this ceremony for mass media?
Thank you very much. This is where I want you to bring this. When you hold this trophy, will relate to your life is that there is no shortcut to success. And you may have heard this many times in your life. Haven't you? Haven't you heard this before? You may have heard it a number of times. There is no shortcut to success. And hard work always pays back. Maybe not instantly, but somewhere your hard work will always create something, whether or not it is visible to you. परिश्रम कभी भी व्यर्थ नहीं जाता. हमें तुरंत उसका लाभ मिले या न मिले, लेकिन कुछ न कुछ वो हमारे लिए ऐसा जरूर क्रिएट करता है जो हमें शायद अभी नजर नहीं आता है, लेकिन कुछ समय बाद हमें उसका प्रभाव जरूर मिलता है. And today is a very fast era. It's a modern time. This is the internet era. Everything is very fast. The children are also very fast. You're bright, you're fast, also you like a lot of speed. Isn't that true? But here, I only want to, the only message that I want to give you today is when you hold this trophy in your hand, and always remember
home. Our children are 100 very good. But I'm warning them, even when you have 100, please one thing, that I have no scope for improvement. When we say the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, he even tells his members of council that you also need to upgrade your skills. When he addresses the youngsters on different forums, virtually or physically, wherever, you may have often heard the Prime Minister also reskilling, upskilling, and you hear about all these words. So always remember one thing in life, no matter how good we are, no matter how good God has given, unbelievable, incredible, indefinite potential to human beings. There is no limit to exploring your potential and being the best. The best is not the word because nothing is ever best. So there is always constant scope for improvement. And you must always try hard. This is my message for those who get 100 and also for those who not get 100. Whatever we do, there is always a great scope for improvement, and the more you hone your skills, you enhance your knowledge, and the more you work upon your individuality, your personal attributes, which means your health, your physical health, and also your mental and emotional health. That is going to loss. ज़रा हो जाता है, आप डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हो, suicidal thoughts आ जाते हैं. I keep seeing these young people using such heavy words. आप लोगों को बहुत जल्दी स्ट्रेस हो जाता है, बहुत जल्दी डिप्रेशन हो जाता है. So your mental and emotional health is as important as your physical health. And how do you keep a good mental health? How do you keep a good emotional health? Of course, physical activity and good diet is a way to be physically healthy. It also contributes to your mental and emotional health. But your mind and your heart need something beyond that. And that is being able to introspect. Each one of you must dedicate few minutes every day, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, not more than that, to reflect on your own behavior, your thoughts, your actions, your emotions throughout the day. Every day do this exercise, or whenever you find time, do this exercise. We all are individuals. We all have emotional upheavals. We all have positive and negative emotions. And the more you introspect, the healthier you would be mentally and emotionally. So self-introspection is very important. कैसे करना है? इसका behavior कैसा है? किसने ये ठीक नहीं किया? उसने वो अच्छा नहीं किया? उसने ये चीज बड़ा गड़बड़? तो भी बोला? I am telling you, if you want to be a better person, if you want to have a fulfilling life, don't direct your energies towards the outside world. Please direct your energies inwards. Make self-introspection the mantra of your life. And it is the best mantra of life to lead a fulfilling life, I would say. दूसरों पर judgment अपनी एनर्जी अपने ऊपर लगाए. एक घर में मेरे मन में क्या ख्याल है, मेरे मन में कैसे इमोशंस पैदा हुए, request our Principal Sir, Dr. M.K. Patil sir, to host the vote of thanks.
Everyone. On behalf of Lances Board, I am glad to express a vote of thanks on this occasion. Professor William Arthur, giving gratitude and not appreciating is like a rapid presentation and not rapid. First, I stand my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With His blessing and grace, we were able to make this event what it was. From the depth of our heart, we thank our chief guest, Honorable Andrea Patel, Union Minister of State in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Chemicals and Fertilizers. For not only sparing her valuable time, respected Chief Executive Land Staff Award, for guiding and inspiring us in working towards the goal of conducting this event. We are thankful to him for a huge support plans. School Durga Kijogi and Sanavadaka are your 30 behavior and supportive nature. I answer my deep sense of gratitude to our treasurer Land Rajesh Agarwal for his instinctive support, vision and commitment. My hearty thanks to our zonal chairperson Land Sansekar. My heartfelt thanks to all the members of Lions Club and TS Club. And also, a hearty thanks to all the students who have been honored and their parents. Vice Principal, teachers, music teacher, all staff who worked hard and made the dream come true. Thank you to all. Thank you again to all the students.
Just wait for a minute. Stand on.